In the past, before the coming of the Europeans, long before the creation of Nigeria or River State, the ancestors of the IKWERE communicated with the ancestors of the ICHE with a single language that united them. They understood their dialects but spoke a speech form that united their dialects. It is that same speech form the IKWERE man uses in communicating with the Oba man. It is that same speech form he uses in communicating with the Ndoki man. It is that same speech form the Ndoni man would speak to the IKWERE Oba or Ebema man. When people from Asa meet the IKWERE Eche or Ndoni, there is no language barrier or culture shock because they have the same features. You have the Urie, Irie, Orie, Afo or Aho, Nkwo and Eke as market days, same with the Oba, Eche, Asa, Ndoki, Egbema, Ndoni. The Ofo, Owo is the sacred scepter. Ogu is your judicial system. You believe Chukwu Chiokike as the supreme creator God and Chi as a guardian spirit. The earth as Allah, Ana, Ani, Ale, Ele. The yam is your chief crop and Ajokuji, Njoku, Ifejoku is the yam god. You pray ceremonially with the kola nut. You believe in the spirit force of science, Agu or Agumago. You believe in the Ikenga as the symbol of masculinity and Eku as female prowess. Your leaders are called Eze. Your firstborn males are Opara, Opala, or Opara. Ada is the word for your first female. You practice the gerontocracy and village republic system of administration. Powers is vested in the Oho, Ofo, holder. Bia is come in your dialect. You still do not know who you are. You still think that all these things were forced on your ancestors. You still believe that it is by coincidence you have these features with some other groups around whom you despise and resent ethnic identification with. If you have the above features, it only means one thing. You are Igbo. This is the voice of Chukwuemeka, written by Akachukwu. This is the Unified Igbos Now. Thank you and God bless.